Okay, we've got this cut out, cut down some. We've cut this piece off. This is going to be for the back. If we have to remove it, then we'll be able to take this piece off. We've sanded this down, cut some of this out. So we've lined it up here where we want it to go on this piece. So we're going to glue this piece onto this one. We also have a couple of screws in there to help keep that together so it doesn't come apart on us. So we'll put some glue in here. Make sure you're doing the right piece, the right side that you want on your figure. So we'll slide this on here where we want it. And we'll put a clamp on it. Remember, just make it snug till you get it all where you want it. It will slide when you try to clamp it down. So, and then we're going to let this set for a few hours to set up. Then we can add the other side, put the other side on it. Once you got it where you want it, then you can clamp it down. One more. So now we can set this aside, let it set up, and after it's had a good chance to seal, then we will add the other side on. We've also taken the back and we've grooved some of this out in here and in here so it won't interfere with our string when we hook our string up. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comments section. I'll get back with you. See, the string will slide in behind there good and won't catch on the wood. Thanks for watching.